Now once again, in this question, the starting material is a substituted cyclohexanone in which we have a secondary alcohol which when treated with iodine in the presence of NaOH indirectly iodoform reaction. So here it being a secondary alcohol undergoes iodoform reaction. So X is the one which corresponds to iodoform reaction, one of the products. In fact, when we take this as the starting material and bring about the iodoform reaction with I2 in the presence of alkali, we get this cyclohexanone part remains same, and this is the methyl group directly attached to the carbon of the alcohol. That methyl group will come out in the form of iodoform, that is CHI3, which is an yellow precipitate. And this during the iodoform reaction becomes C double bond O, O minus Na plus. So sodium salt of this is formed. So therefore, now this is further subjected to hydrolysis. X is subjected to hydrolysis. In other words, sodium salt of this, when we subject it to hydrolysis with H plus, what do we get? So this C double bond O, this is C double bond O, and this will become OH. So therefore, we need to understand that this must be X and therefore this is Y. And now what we are getting it, a carboxylic acid is formed. Which carboxylic acid? This is the functional carbon. Therefore, this position becomes alpha carbon and this particular position becomes beta carbon. And therefore, it is called beta keto acid. And what are we doing with this beta keto acid, which is now nothing but Z? So Z is beta keto acid. And when we observe this option so far, X is sodium salt. So here A is given as Y is iodoform. That is right. What we got, Y is iodoform. And here Z is given as the beta keto acid which we got. Z is beta keto acid. So therefore this is also right. Then what is P is there? Next we need to check whether this is right or wrong. Right. So Z is heated. That is beta keto acid is subjected to heating. And you know that when beta keto acids are heated, elimination of carbon dioxide takes place. So therefore this part CO2 is eliminated. And give what? This H will go to this place. In other words, it is nothing but cyclohexanone is formed. So thus the final product of the reaction P is nothing but cyclohexanone. So here we are given P is cyclohexanone. So this is right. So A is right, B is right, C is right. So as only one option is correct for this question, we need to select D. All are correct.